How to log in with Discord token. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick tip for you to automatically log in using your Discord token. Now, for this to work, all I have to do is pull up your preferred web browser, but I'm going to be using Google Chrome as of the moment. Now head straight into the login page of Discord, like at discord.com/login, where you will be redirected here. And what you need to do is to pull up developer option or developer mode by clicking these three dots and then hovering your mouse into more tools and then choose on developer tools. Now this is what it will look like. Now all you have to do is to choose on application and then under storage, choose on local storage, choose on the Discord link. Now on your right side, just simply scroll all the way down and you should be able to see these two blank boxes right here. What you want to have to do on the first box is to name this N2 token. And then on the second box, this is where you will paste your Discord token and then just gonna make sure that it is inside a quotation mark. Simply hit on Control plus R and then you will automatically be logged in if you input your token correctly. And that's it. That's how you log in with Discord token.